Hi, my name is Frederick Collins. I'm a father of three, two daughters and a son, a community activist, and a Chicago police officer with nearly 20 years of crime fighting experience on the streets. And just like you, it saddens and bothers me the loss of our children's lives due to gang and drug violence in our community. That's why I'm doing something about it. I'm running for office of Cook County Sheriff in 2014.
I need you to vote for Frederick Collins so all of us children can be safe.
That's my commitment to you.